Hi guys, and welcome to Body Masters Coaching Home Edition. Today, in modern day society, we are constantly faced with toxic overload, and this has a negative effect on our joints, on our organs, on our brains, on our minds, and it's not a battle you can kind of control. What you've got to find ways of doing is actually helping your body rid itself of those toxins. So there's lots of different ways of doing that. You know, you can drink water and things like that, and obviously that has a lot of benefits. But and you can take different supplements. Okay, now a lot of that stuff affects the organs on the inside of the body. However, there is one organ that you can directly affect from outside the system. Okay. And that is that's the skin. Okay, so how do you do this? Well, there's a little natural spa bath remedy that you can make. It's cheap as chips, it's dead easy to do, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Follow me, and we've got a nice little bath set up ready, so it's nice and hot. Okay, and cool. So a few major ingredients, or main ingredients for you. Okay, so the first one is Epsom salts. So there's the Epsom salts. Okay, so we're going to put that into the bath, and we just throw that in there like that. Okay, and I didn't weigh that out. I just, you know, got a big scoop of Epsom salts, banged it in. Okay, and then I want to be refreshed after this, so I'm using some natural essential oils. Okay, and I'm going to use peppermint. And peppermint is a very refreshing essential oil. It has a lot of benefits. Okay, and then I'm also going to use lavender essential oil. Okay, lavender essential oil has a lot more benefits as well. All right, so you can see I'm being very liberal with dropping them in there. All right, and that's at about 15-20 drops. Okay, and then the last thing is bicarbonate of soda. Okay, so this is a very potent antioxidant, and as you can see, we just drop that in there. Okay, and that's it, easy peasy. All right, so all we do now is we have a 20-minute soak, and you could do this 2 or 3 times a week, and it's just going to pull the toxins out of your body from your skin. Okay, so don't forget that right underneath your skin is your body fat, and your body fat is where you store a load of your toxins. Okay, so if you're cleansing your skin, you're going to cleanse your body of more toxins, which makes it easier for you to lose weight. It makes you healthier. It'll give you more energy. You'll feel better. Everything about your system will improve. Okay, so I'm going to do that now. Have a nice relaxing soak for 20 minutes, and I'll see you next time. Take care, guys. Hi guys, I've just finished having that spa bath. That is really, really relaxing. My sinuses are clearer. Obviously I've had a shave as well, so you know, don't think that it's going to replace your facial or your hair grooming job. So that's not a side effect of the spa treatment. But you know, I will be definitely doing that on a regular basis. That's the first time I've tried it, I'll be honest. But you know what? For the cost of a few drops of essential oil, 20 minutes to relax, a bit of you know, bicarbonate of soda and Epsom salts, and they're dirt cheap, guys. They don't cost the earth. I think that whole experience probably cost me 50 pence. So have a go, try it, get some relaxation done, lower your cortisol, and I'll see you next time.